Hey everybody, it's Ryan. And if you would like to be able to travel with shoes and keep them nice and neat, this video might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our travel shoe bags? Who am I to say nobody know it whatsoever? With these being provided to me, effect this review because I'm here to keep it real. Now, you get two, at least I'm not sure if they have like more quantities in this, but this is a 2-pack. This just happens to be the blue color. It might come in other colors, I'm not really sure, but a blue color here. On the inside, it's kind of like a thin rubberishy type feel on the inside. I would assume that's for waterproofage. Now, this wouldn't be something you could submerge in water, but you know, if you were afraid of traveling and having your shoes in somewhere where maybe there was a bottle of shampoo or something, you didn't want to risk it dumping out, this would definitely protect it. So it has like this shiny, rubbery type inside. Then the outside is kind of this mesh, but it's not breathable. This is not like a breathable mesh. It's definitely, you know, water cannot get through there. And this is what it does. So from a travel standpoint, you get your favorite pair of shoes, you unzip it, you put them in there, nice and neat, and then you just zip it up. And now you have your shoes in a nice travel case that you can actually still see, so that's good, so you know what pair of shoes you're trying to grab. Nice convenient handle, and yeah, quality on this is on point. I think this is like, this mesh is like woven in for durability. That's kind of what it looks like to me. It does come with a zipper close, all nice and neat, little pull right there. And yeah, so if you're looking for a nice, convenient, and I would arguably say durable travel bag for your shoes to kind of keep them nice and quarantined from the rest of your luggage to protect them things. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.